Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. Now this is a video you've not seen in a while. This video I'm actually going to show you multiple Pinch Me packages that I've gotten over the past few months. If you don't know what Pinch Me is, I will put their information down in the description. It's basically a company that will send you free product, and normally they're sample sizes. And of course they have the expectation that you will review them on their site. So you do have to be pretty active on there to get invitations for samples. But hey, I think it's a cool program, and I've been a member of it for, I have no idea how long I've been a member of it now. But I'll put my playlist up above where you can see, in the cards, where you can see the previous things I've gotten. But I just quickly wanted to bang this out and did not want to film an individual video for each box. I think some of these boxes may contain only like one item. And so this is like a random envelope that they sent me. And it has Sundown Naturals gluten-free gummies. And of course this package only contains 2. So this is what they sent me previous month. In here, in this box, they had a little card promoting all their social media sites. And then this actually had the Clear Scalp and Hair Beauty Therapy Damage and Color Repair Nourishing Shampoo. Now I've used these before. I feel like they've sent me larger size samples of the shampoo and conditioner before, and this stuff smells really good and it leaves your hair smelling like awesome for days. Into this one, got something from Skin Fix, hand repair cream, which I've heard that this is a pretty awesome hand cream. And this is a little pamphlet talking about it, and it has a coupon on the back to save $3 at Target, which is pretty cool. And then they actually sent me 12 of the ZzzQuil liquid caplets, which I actually recently just did a review affiliated with Influencer, which is another program similar to this on my channel, which I can link that up in the cards. And I can see that I've already taken 10 of them and I have 1 pack left. Yeah, 12, which I think is pretty cool. Influencer only sent me like 2 caplets, and that was it. And then this also has information and then a $2 off coupon. And then they sent me a deodorant, the Secret Clinical Strength. This is a $2 coupon and some information on it. And it's inside this box here. This would be great to travel with. But they sent me a deodorant, which I think is pretty awesome. Oh wow, okay. Oh wow, okay. This one contained a black soap. Shea Moisture Organic African Black Soap with shea butter. It's for acne prone face and body. It's an acne prone face and body bar, which is definitely something that I need. So this definitely looks full size. So we got a Suave Advanced Therapy body lotion, 2 ounces. This is a Luzianne's Pour and Stir Sweet Tea Concentrate. 1 pouch equals a half a gallon of iced tea. Pretty neat. And then we have a Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Aloe Skin Therapy Cream. I believe this is for like, not the face, for hands and body. And then the last thing I have, it looks like it's a Pure Via Stevia sample. I can fill the packet inside here. And I'm sure this probably contains like a coupon with it as well. And so here's the last box of these. Looks like they always throw in these wine vouchers for those wine boxes, which I'll never take advantage of. 1, because I'm not really a big wine drinker. But 2, you have to sign for these packages, and my work schedule never allows me to be home whenever they deliver them. Looks like there's 2 Olay samples, and also they included information and a $1 off coupon. I got the Fresh Outlast Cooling White Strawberry Mint Body Wash. And then this is another body wash in a coconut scent, I believe. So And then we have Gold Bond Ultimate. It's another, I believe this is another body cream for aging and mature skin. They sent me actually 10 Always Dailies panty liners. And I can already see, and I've gone through 9 of them because I only have 1 left in here. And then the last thing, if you're a subscriber of mine, you would know that I definitely don't have a use for this anymore because my fur baby, I can link the really depressing video up in the cards. I had to put her down July of 2016, which I probably haven't updated my profile with that information. I know that I no longer have a dog, but I have a lot of friends that have dogs, so this is gonna go to them. But this is a Purina One Smart Blend, True Instinct grain-free formula for adult dogs. So this is a decent size. Like, for a small dog, I think this would be like enough for 2 meals. But anyway, yes, everything I just showed you, I got for free for review purposes from Pinch Me. So if you're interested in joining, please do, and take advantage of getting sent just random free products. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, become part of my random family. And don't forget to hit that bell, because that's basically like you're subscribing now on YouTube. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.